Howdy there, folks. My name's Steven, and today we're going to take a look at this 1 to 4 make your own Mosaic craft kit. This is an excellent craft kit. It was sent to us for review. In my opinion, this is suitable for a child that's probably about 8 years old, maybe 6 to 12 years old. Follow the safety protocols, precautions, guidelines. This is also a fine craft for adults as well. Don't want to put an age limit on it, that's for sure. But it comes with all the tools you need. Instructions comes with your powdered material here, your cream glue, sponge, mixing bowl, paintbrush, all your little mosaic squares. All the safety protocols, precautions, and guidelines are as these are small little pieces of glass. And then it comes with, of course, your cup or globe so you can decorate it. Excellent little kit.